In a town full of fancy cars and crowded bars and supermodels, looks exactly the way it did inside my head when I think about it. All the things I could live without, I need them now, cause they're all around me. Only thing that I can't afford is to lose myself trying to be somebody.
We just arrived in Cancun and we are heading to Playa del Carmen. We are in downtown Playa del Carmen. We just went wine tasting and we saw a jewelry making factory.
Can't you see that I climb mountains just to be next to you?
Got some cool souvenirs. Lots of cool souvenirs. Lots of fun. Yep.
But do you love me like I love you? Don't have to rush if you don't want to. Oh, I'll be patient, but just know that there's no way that anybody else could love you like I love you. Like I love you. Love you. Like I love you. Like I love you. Like I love you.
Our next adventure was different. We rode our buggies to a Mayan village. What we saw, people living at and below the poverty line in Mexico. Some homes were made with cardboard roofs and no floors. However, everyone came outside and waved at us, greeting us in our buggies with big smiles and friendly waves. We then went to a local store in the village to buy some of the basic living essentials: milk, water, pasta, bread, oil, candles, and more. We handed them out to some of the 600 families living there. We got back in the buggies and drove a little ways down the road to where we were invited into a home for a home-cooked meal and soda. Some of the girls there gave us jewelry they had made and sent us on our way.
Baby, it hits so hard, holding on to my chest. Maybe you left your mark, reminding me to forget. Doesn't matter where you are, you can keep my regret. Baby, I got these scars, reminding me to forget. Reminding me I got these scars to get your love.
We're going parasailing.
Get your love.